Morning, day 3, lovely misty start to the day. Although it makes getting out the centre a little harder. You saw last night we cracked on with digging. I didn't quite finish. I thought I was going to just keep going, but my eyes started to get to that nighttime eyesight thing where I couldn't quite tell if I was digging mud or just scratching all the concrete up. So I stopped at that point. It's probably only another 5 minutes, 10 minutes worth of digging. So I'll do that before we go. And we're going to crack on with the storage room. Like I said last night, couldn't get the insulation on. Then the sheets on the outside of that, unpack the van and move all that in. Patches on the roof that we repaired haven't been completely successful. It rained overnight and we've got a few patches on the floor, drip over there, drip over there. Don't know if that's off the tarpaulin already, but I have to say it's a lot less in here than it was. Looks like it's the pinprick holes that leaked, which is kind of understandable. The ones I patched with duct tape seem to be okay, and they're the biggest ones. The little ones I thought I could just paint over seem to have leaked. I'm always glad when I start a new day if I set up the night before, because you can just come in, and didn't leave all my tools out, but got all the materials in place, so got up a bit early so that I can get on with this. So I suppose we should start. So we're done for this trip. These 18 or 19 hour work days are getting a bit long. I'm knackered. Still got to unpack. It's funny, unpacking a van is the easy bit. We've done this, got the digger, finished that off as best I could. So this is as clear as it's going to get for now. I'm going to have to do something about that water, but that's a fairly simple fix. And the storage in the barn, not the prettiest, but it's done. It's also temporary and will be something to do with the workshop later on, so it doesn't matter if it's not perfect. Door's still open because I'm going to be putting stuff in there, and then I'm just going to seal it shut, put some damp proof on the top just for the odd drip. And because we've been using all this stuff up, this bit of the workshop's finally got a bit of space, which is manky now because I haven't cleaned that area, but it'll be good when I come back and have another tidy up. Right now it's all just bombast, bits everywhere. In the next video we'll be doing some more moving. We've got I'm going to try and get some water and some grey water tanks, and we're going to go pick up the septic tank. So the next one will probably be services for the static caravan. Hopefully the static caravan will turn up next time we're here. So yeah, next one will be services, static caravan connection, static caravan delivery, sighting of the static caravan, tour of it if you like. Yeah, we might bundle a couple of videos, see how that goes. But if that's the kind of content you like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next trip.